Hi guys, in this video I show you how to make click interactions in Wix Studio. Let's go. First we are going to select the element where we want to add a click interaction. In my case I'm going to use this image. Open the inspector on the right side and click on animations and effects. Then open the section click right here and click on plus add. And here you can choose between all of these preset animations which are going to happen after you click on the image. If you want, you can also adjust the animations by clicking here on adjust animation, and here you can change things based on this animation you have chosen. You can change the scale, the duration, and also add some delay. To test out the parameters you have changed, just click on preview. To give the image a better professional and visual look, let's click on the pen icon, and under design we can for example add a corner radius right here. We can also apply a shadow, change the angle, increase the distance, and also change the color if you want. Click on preview in the top right corner and see how the click interaction is working. And as you can see here, if I click on the image, you can see that it's expanding, same as the preset we have chosen before. Besides of using the basic click interaction presets, we can also create a custom animation. To do so, click on edit side and then go back to animations and effects. If you click on your animation expand, you can see that you can also select custom right here. Click on create custom animation. Any of the parameters you are changing on this side are going to happen after you click on your image. For example, if I change the rotation to 15 degrees and also change the scale to 90%, you can click on done and then on preview to see what is happening. As you can see here, the custom animation is working. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time.